Fighting nerves only makes them stronger. But what if the very nerves that scare you could help you perform at your best? Today we're flipping the script. Instead of battling your stage nerves, I'll show you how to work with your body instead to create calm, focus, and flow. Welcome to The Fearless Musician. I'm Christina, and I'm on a mission to help you transform nerves into flow through science, psychology, and hypnosis. When you feel nervous as a musician, your instinct's telling you something's not right. But what if your nerves don't have to be your enemy? When you understand that performance nerves are just your body's survival mechanism, responding to old programs and habitual patterns, you have the freedom to change their meaning. In a moment, I'm going to teach you a simple self-hypnosis technique that helps you go from overly nervous to balanced, focused, and ready to flow. This technique works best when you're already feeling anxious about a future performance, or on the day of a performance when you want to feel more grounded, confident, and in control. So let's begin with this guided practice. Start by finding a comfortable position and closing your eyes. Focus on your breath. Notice what you feel in this moment without judgment or labels. And if you could locate where on your body you feel this the most, where would you point to? If this feeling could be useful to your performance, how could it help you? Maybe it can give you focus, energy, courage, confidence, inspiration, or something else. What could you label this beneficial feeling? Picture yourself in performance now, watching yourself from the audience, playing freely and easily, with this feeling that carries you, giving you confidence and helping you let go and play your best. And now remember this feeling so that next time you perform, you recognize its presence as the feeling that helps you play in flow. And now gently bring yourself out of hypnosis by opening your eyes. Practicing this technique often will not only help you feel balanced and in control before a performance, it will rewire your nervous system to experience nerves in a whole new light. So use before your next performance. I'd love to hear in the comments how you get on. Like this video, share with another musician who could benefit, and subscribe for more tools, strategies, and insights. And if you want fully guided, personalised techniques that take this work deeper, my self-paced mini course, Fearless Foundations, is the perfect starting point. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, play fearlessly.